Hello guys, welcome to Vishal Education Academy, and I am back with our new video on Pinterest. So guys, basically Pinterest is a website where you can pin your content and explore your business marketing. So we are using Pinterest, Medium, and many of the things in our social media marketing internship. So that's why I am here to tell you about the Pinterest pinning system. So how you can pin your content on the Pinterest, guys. Pin means you can post your content here. Okay, so just visit the website that is www.pinterest.com. Okay, or you can google also. When you are google, you will get the Pinterest. Okay, now just click on the login. If you are new, then click on the sign up, otherwise okay. Here you have your account. Okay, settings. So here you can manage your name. If you are using if you are creating account for the internship period, so you have to write your first and last name. Okay. Tell your story, and anything you want to do that here. How to post. Okay, I just show you. Okay, these are the notification update. Here you can get the messages about your content. So there are two types of it. If you are creating any idea, so you can use this, but if you are using pin, just pin. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to add a photo here. So photo is mandatory here, guys. So I just show you this. I am added. Okay, and added Vishal services, uh, services. Okay, I just had add. We have providing these services to our customers. Okay, now you can add destination link. I just enter this. Okay, if you want to add all text, you can add that. Okay, I just add this hashtag. Okay, in I have created these boards here, so I choose in IT and just click on the save. Okay, so this will post my content, or I can say it is pin my content on a Pinterest profile. Okay, I just show you there it's the option create a board, so you can create any of the board here. Okay, so hope you understand how you can pin your content at the Pinterest. So hope you are doing well, guys. So just start exploring the Pinterest also, because we are providing a very amazing internship offer for the graphic designing who are interested in graphic designing. Okay, we are launching a global magazine, but unfortunately there are some reasons, because reasons we are not released our magazine for 2022. But yeah, we are sure to publish our magazine in 2023 for sure. So guys, we need a graphic designing internship interns which will design a global magazine, and they will get the special premium appreciation letter for sure. So just visit our website, and we will add we have added the internship profile for the August 2022. So just go and register for yourself.